Okay, it's going now.
So for the first problem, you just have to solve for x. You have two line segments that are equal. So then the way I set it up was, here, I'll write it down. So at my first segment, and then my second segment. So then the two segments are equal, so that means that 7 plus 2x minus 10 is equal to x plus 8 because that's the length of the other segment. And then when you simplify it so that it's like terms, you'll get x equals 11. And then when you put these back into the segments to check your answers, 11 plus 8 is 19. 2 times 11 minus 10 is 11, and then plus 12, sorry, and then plus 7 is also 19. So it adds up, and then the segments are equal, so you know it's correct.
Okay, so you got x equals 11 for your x. Okay.
What did you get?
Explaining it was, okay. Confusing, but it makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense to me. Number 2 and 3 then. I got for number 2. I got. Oh, what? Okay, I got linear pair for number 2, and then for number 3, I got adjacent angles.
I got a few like other things for each of them. I got like more than one.
Yeah, for those then.
If we could have more than one answer for those or not.
Yeah, I think we can. For the first one, I said supplementary, linear pair, and adjacent.
Yeah, all those would make sense.
Yeah, see how that would be. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you added your like you could do multiple or if it was just one answer. So, what'd you get for number 3 then?
I got complementary and adjacent.
Yeah, I had complementary and adjacent, but I wasn't sure, so I just picked adjacent. So that makes sense.
Is that what you had, Amy?
Yeah. I didn't have adjacent for number 2, but that would make sense because adjacent is just when the angles are next to each other.
Yeah.
Then supplementary is when they equal 180, and linear pairs. What is the definition for linear pair again?
Two coplanar angles that share a side and a vertex.
Oh, okay. Then that would fit.
So, yeah.
All right. Number 4. So the grid, and then cross x equals 2. So the points originally were S was 3, 3. This is going to be a terrible diagram. R was -1, 2. And T was 3, -1. And so this is our original figure, sort of. And so we had to reflect it across y equals 2, this line. And so to reflect, I away from the line we were reflecting over. So S was 1 away. So that the y coordinate wouldn't change at all, but the x would. And so you just move 1 over here. And now I got prime is 1, 3. And then for t, it's also 1 away. So move that 1 over the line over here as well. T prime. And then R was 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 3-way, 4-way. I think it was 4-way. So 4 this way, and then 4 this way. This is your R. It's a terrible diagram. And so I got R prime is 5, 2.
I like that on record.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Any questions or comments or anything?
I do think that.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
Remembering to
Alright.
use x equals 2 as like your line. I think it's like the only thing that you could do wrong there.
Okay, and then number 5. We have another grid, and so our original figure was U is 1, 3, and T is 4, -1, and V is -1, -1. And we needed to rotate this 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. And like we learned in class, counterclockwise, we just, so I moved U a quadrant this way. Since it was originally 1, 3, I just switched the coordinates around. 3, 1, but then you have to do the sign that fits the quadrant, which is in this one a negative positive. So then you would have U prime as 1. And then you didn't have to rotate it, you just needed the vertices, but I think it was helpful to actually do it and then get a sense of where it was. And then V originally is over here, so moved it to this one. And so it was 1, -1, -1. But now this quadrant is positive, negative. So V prime is now just switching the signs. So now it's 1, -1. Just like over here. E 1. Oh, whoa! I just know this. So T is over here, and so I'm moving to this one, which is positive, positive. And originally it was 4, -1. So the 4 and the 1 would give you 4, but then it has to be positive, positive. So you would get T prime as 1, 4, and something like this for your figure, if you want to draw it. Yep, that's what I did.
I got the same coordinates.
That's helpful.
Me too.
Okay. Well, story says here.
The only like other thing that I had was the number 3. I wasn't really sure if they were considered adjacent or not because like it looked kind of weird than like the other adjacent ones that we viewed. And I don't know, like what's the definition of adjacent? Is it just like sharing array?
Adjacent angles are angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays.
Does that match this?
Yeah, because this is sorry. This is what it looks like. If you take out everything else, then you're just looking at the A and the B. And the non-common, so this is the shared. So the non-common side would be
Oh yeah, okay, that makes more sense. I think
opposite,
it
right?
is
Going
just
this direction,
confusing
going this
because
direction.
of like the angle that we're viewing it at. It kind of makes it look different. Okay.
I just took out everything else. It seemed really unnecessary.
Yeah,
And just look at the.
that makes sense. Okay, I don't have anything else. Do you guys?
No,
Nope.
pretty easy, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
All right then.
I'll get the link.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.